Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, I am going to explain the difference between compiler and the interpreter. So basically, what is compiler and why we have to use this? So this is the first question we'll be getting in our mind. So basically, computer, there will be one computer and computer doesn't know the languages what we speak and to convey that. Okay, so for that we have developed one is machine learning, machine language. Okay, and this machine language will understands only zeros and ones. Okay, and to understand this is very complicated and it's not readable also. Okay, for that we developed high level programming languages. That will be like C, C++ or Java. Okay, and here also these high level languages will be writing like what humans can understand. It's still not understand by the computers. Okay, for that we have taken one mechanism called compiler and interpreter. Okay, basically what this will be doing is it converts the high level programming language to the machine language. So it converts the source code to zeros and ones and like we'll be getting the output. Okay, so now let me explain this compiler and interpreter. Okay, first of all, like let me take on compiler. Before explaining this compiler, let me give a simple example about this compiler and interpreter. Okay, there will be person called Hemant. Okay, there will be person called Hemant. He is working in a hotel. Okay, he is working in a hotel. Okay, if the customer comes to the hotel and he will give like the orders like what and all he want to eat, those orders will be giving. Like he need to eat 10 items. Okay, and consider that this Hemant has very high memory power. So this all the 10 items he will be remembering and he will be returning and delivered to this person. Okay, at one time, at a single time, he will be delivering to this person. Okay, this is compiler. Just remember this point. Okay, and coming to interpreter. Here interpreter, let me take another person called Mahesh. Okay, and this person's memory is very low. Okay, and the other person, this person is also working in the same hotel. Okay, the other person comes to this Hemant person, the customer comes to this Hemant place and he will give the orders like what and all he need. The same person, like this person also need 10 items to eat. But what Hemant will do is his memory is very less. So like you will be taking one order. Okay, you will be taking one order from the customer and that one order will be delivered to the customer. Okay, then after delivering you will take the second order. Then you will deliver to the customer. Then you will take third order. So on you will complete up to 10 items. Okay, this is interpreter. Just remember these two concepts. Okay, these examples. So let me explain this compiler now. Okay, so first of all, like there will be source code. Like what and all the code like will be writing in the system, those codes are known as source code. Okay, that is source code. And this source code, it's converted to machine language. Okay, it's converted to machine language as zeros and ones. Okay, and the system will be processed and you will be getting output. Okay, and here in interpreter, the same source code will be writing, and in the source code, the interpreter will take only first instruction, not the complete code. It takes first instruction and it converts to machine language. Okay, then it will give output. Then comes to the source code and then it will take second instruction. Then it converts to machine learning and it will give output. Okay, this is how the interpreter and the compiler works. The major difference of this interpreter and compiler it will interpreter is nothing but it takes the code line by line, and this compiler will take everything as a single shot and it will be giving as an output. Okay, this is the major difference between this compiler and interpreter. Okay, yeah, thank you, that's all for the video.